Hey everyone. So have you ever eaten boiled peanuts? Or do you only like them roasted? Well, I like boiled peanuts. I'm a southern girl. And I'm going to add some Cajun seasoning and some salt. I'm going to add kosher salt and the Louisiana crawfish boil and the Zatarain's seafood boil. I need to use this up anyways. So all you do is I have 2 pounds of peanuts here. So all I'm going to do is pull this out. I'm doing it in the Instant Pot. I already rinsed my nuts. So you just pour your peanuts in there. Adding water. I'm just adding bottled water. Where's the fill line? Right here. Don't add the water over the max fill line. That's still just below. And the peanuts will soak up the liquid. So I'm going to, let's see, just do it this way. Add 3 tablespoons of kosher salt. I can always add more if that's not enough. I'm going to add, this is really quick and easy. So there's 1, there's 2, I'll add 3 tablespoons of seafood boil seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit of this. Might have to add some more, I don't know. After they cook for so long, then I'll open it and taste them. And all you do is put your lid on. The valve is on sealing. Turn it on manual. I'm going to do this for I'll do it for 70 minutes. And that's it. That's the start. I might have to add more time. I'll have to test them and see if they're done. So that's all you do. Simple as that. And then I'll show you when I open the Instant Pot and I'll have OTWP taste test one. So that's all you do, quick and easy. But yeah, in the South, we love our boiled peanuts. You can find them at roadside gas stations, at the flea market, at where else? The side of the road, farmers markets, and yeah, everywhere. We love our boiled peanuts. Okay, so it went another 45 minutes, and I had to add more Zatarain's seafood boil, and I added more kosher salt because I tested them and they weren't done yet, and they also needed more salt, and they needed more Cajun seasoning to them. You release the pressure. So now there's no pressure left. You wait for that pin to drop, and then You open the lid away from you. So you don't get burnt. And look at that. Oh my gosh. So this is boiled peanuts, y'all. Not boiled peanuts. Boiled peanuts. Hot and steamy and good. I need to find some raw green peanuts in bulk to make a bunch of this. So OTWP is taste testing these. So you suck the shell, suck the flavor off. You crack it open. Pull the nut out of there.
Y'all, I never had boiled peanuts till I met Dragonflyz. And they're absolutely delicious. I can taste the Cajun seasoning on them. But...
And the salt.
Why don't you make me some jerk ones? Oh man. Delicious. Nothing like them. Once you eat boiled peanuts, there's that bowl right there. Tonight. They're delicious. They're delicious.
So you like them?
Yeah, I like them. Always have.
Okay, so there you go. Make you some boiled peanuts. They're good. If you've never tried them before, you have to. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Be blessed.